So Parth, when did debating stop being just an activity and start feeling like a real passion to you?
Very late in life, very late in college also. For the first 2 years, debating was non-existent for me.
I never knew debating. I didn't even think ki debating could be this vast. I thought when I entered this college, I want to do something because we had a lot of free time during classes. So I just joined a random club one day and I thought that I had experience in it or like I could do it, but I couldn't. My first debate, it was a group discussion and I failed miserably. So I took it as a challenge and eventually I excelled at it. I think if you can take anything as a challenge and excel at it, it could be your passion. Just try out everything.
So what I used to do is like my Dadaji used to watch these debates on the news channel. And I used to see that there's no female present there. They're just like random politicians, male politicians to be very exact. And I always used to think, but I can like debate, I can fight over this thing. And why is there no girl or like some female representative there? And that's when I used to think, I wanna like talk to someone about this thing. I wanna go to that stage and I wanna do whatever they're doing.
It started being a passionate activity because I was looking for something to belong to in this college, because it's a big college. When I was starting out in college with the debating, I told all these people that I'm phenomenal at it. I had zero evidence to prove that. I had done no debating us point tak. But I just told these people that I'm phenomenal at it. And initially they bought it, so they were intimidated. So I won a couple of those initial debates. And uske baad I thought okay, I won these initial debates, so maybe I am good at it. So I believed it a little more. And then a little more and a little more after that. And fir wahi, 2 years later, still undefeated. That's the way it goes.
It definitely is a therapy because I seek out debating aside from the normal shenanigans जो मेरे दिन में हो रहे हैं. And in the end of the day, I'm like, आज एक mock कर लेते हैं रात को. थोड़ा सा like, मतलब, I'll be like a bit relaxed.
So if we interview any friend of yours, what do you think they will say about you?
I mean,
Friends.
I'm not sure what my friends will say about me. I hope they say good things.
Garima is a very good person, but her debating is beyond my expectations. Seeing her height, you might think she's not that good of a debater, but she kills it when she's on the podium.
My first impression of Parth is like, this is really cool person that I kind of want to get to know more. I've spent more than a year working with him. He might be hard to work with.
Jaskaran, the only reason I'm even friends with that dude is because my parents probably love him more than me. And anytime I need to sneak out of my house, I tell my parents that I'm with Jaskaran because my parents really, really believe that if I'm with him, I'm up to some good.
Charles Bukowski has this quote where he says, find what you love and let it kill you. And in order to find what you love and find places where you belong, you need to put yourself in places where you don't. So just go out there, and if you're scared to do it, make sure that you do it scared.
Find a passion. Learn your words. And I found it through debating, but it could be something else for you. It could be singing for you, it could be dancing for you, it could be acting for you, it could be photography, coding. Just find it, do it till you're tired.
the biggest debater that you know or the most like confident person that you know that they have no jitters or stage fright, they started from where you are right now. So it's not something that you cannot do. You just gotta build the courage and just gotta try it. Just first step, baby steps.